Yes, sir. I promise you, you will do this. That guy will do this. He told you, I saw that he stole the money.
Court rise.
Ah, okay.
Be seated.
As soon as I already have my rice.
Today's case number 2026/45. The State versus Ola Olawale.
Is the prosecution ready?
Active, my lord. Active, my lord.
Very well. You may proceed.
Thanks very much, my lord, my God. My name is Barrister Mike. All due respect and honor to his honorable court. My lord, I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to nail a culprit and make sure that a criminal was rot in jail. My lord, my client here, Mr. Bamidele, as he now coming on the 24th of January, that is his first time back in country. You have not been around. As he entered, you have never said Happy New Year to everybody, because what he saw is not nothing happy about the New Year. In fact, the New Year they very sad. Why? Because his penthouse apartment, my lord, he realized there have been an unlawful entry. Anyway, we now do inquiry. We now find out okay, there is about 17 staff around his house that is working for him. Of all the 17 staff, the criminal to my left, he stood out.
Order!
My lord, you ask that why do he stood out? Why do he stand out? Because this criminal is the one that hold unfettered access to the penthouse. Am I lying? He have access to the penthouse and he do what he like. He shebo shewu, my lord. You say that what even make us to come to conclusion, despite the access, is the one that thief the items. My lord, if he bark like a dog and he sound like a dog, he say what? He say dog. Even the Yoruba say, they say, "Ajakela no, omokulo ni." That no makwa aja no, look pomoje. Because after he stole those items, my lord, this guy now start to live ostentatious lifestyle. Somebody that on the normal days entering Korope, entering Danfo, he begin to order Uber. He begin to fly back. Somebody is going from here to there, he is flying back. Also, this young man, normally before, he is in fact, they used to call him Johnny Baptist because his sack clothes he used to wear. Before you know it, this guy begin to wear designer. Why do you see this designer that you put on? Is this your normal clothes? My lord, we are going to show that this criminal also transfer a huge sum of money to his mother.
Order!
As I speak to you, this guy have 3 girlfriends.
Order in the courtroom!
My lord, we are going to show that this guy do not have just motive, but he also have the means and opportunity to thief these items, and as such, must be sent to jail. Thanks so much, my lord. I respect and honor you. God bless.
Noted.
Just come down.
Counsel for the defense?
Yes, my lord. Barrister Layi Esquire, you can inquire, my lord. Such a tragedy we just witnessed from my colleague. The Englishman says practice makes perfect. It is obvious that my colleague's legal practice is far from perfect. My lord, I would like to say that this case is built on just mere suspicion. My lord, just because somebody has access and opportunity does not make him culpable for a crime. My lord, it is my duty to prove that this case is based on mere speculation. My lord, the sudden drip, the sudden transformation, the sudden gifting, the sudden doings does not make my client a thief. After all, what God cannot do, my lord, the court will see by the end of this case that facts are born out of certainty and not mere guesses. Thank you, my lord.
My lord, I will take exception to that. Why my co-counsel say yes.
I don't understand. When you were talking, did I object your opening statement?
Why is he praying? He says, we won't concern God in this matter.
I don't understand, my lord. You see that when he was talking, did I disturb you? Did I disturb?
Sorry,
it's obvious this man doesn't go. This is, I'm sorry, it's your first court case ever.
Sorry, my lord.
See, it's objective to opening statement. When we
Sorry,
say go to school, they go to AU. Nonsense.
I will not take this guy to turn this court into a church. This man making a mockery of your excellence, my lord.
Your excellence, it's lordship.
Your lordship, my lord.
That's
my
what
lord,
you get when you go.
Your lordship.
Send lawyer to OAU. They are sending you to OAFP. Nonsense. Please, can we go ahead with the court? Sorry, my lord. Let's continue with the court proceeding.
My lord. Yeah, it's my. What's that?
Hello? So lórí ibu ni mo wà ní kóòtù.
Help your lawyer now.
Sorry.
My lord, apologies for that, please. It's a slip of a mental. Please help us, guys. Please, may you introduce yourself to this honorable court?
My name is Olamileko Bamidele Olabinwonu.
Please, what do you do? Tell the court what you do.
I'm a confirmed businessman.
All right. What business do you transact in, please?
I do on importations and exportation. We might import to swimming pool. Pẹ̀lú pump, you know pump.
Oh, okay.
Pump, those pumps.
Swimming pool and pump.
Pump.
I must make a lot of that. So it means that one of this your last trip, you went to go and do importation.
Benny.
Where do you go?
I actually went to France.
How long go to?
I'm a France delegate. I
love that. I love that.
Thank you.
The weather was. Did you check out the Eiffel Tower?
Of course, I did.
Objection, my lord. I don't even understand what I'm objecting. What is? Can you explain to us? Are they catching? Are they catching up? What is?
Objection overruled. Proceed with your question.
I'm gonna go on because all I'm asking is in nexus to what I'm about to ask next. So when do you come back from your trip where you go and take Otutu?
Order!
On the 24th of January.
Thanks very much.
Yes.
And is that when you discover that your penthouse has been broken into?
Yes, in the evening. You know, very cool evening. I just discovered that somebody has entered my penthouse.
Are you sure that you lock your penthouse on your way out?
Of course, I was very, very sure. Very sure.
Thanks very much for that.
Yes.
So you didn't discover any forced entry? Nobody break any window, break any louvers or anything?
No.
Nothing broken?
Nothing broken.
Just a criminal that
exactly.
That entered
exactly. Nothing broken. That's when I confirmed that somebody that entered the house.
It's okay, don't rush.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please, who have access to that penthouse?
Myself and my domestic staff.
All your staff have access to the penthouse?
No. But it's only supposed to have what's called permanent access or restricted access. It's only a day. Okay,
that's the man in the court right now to my left wearing a yellow designer shirt.
Exactly.
That you don't usually do wear before. Okay. Yes. Thanks so much for that. So Ade, that's sitting here, is the one that have unrestricted access. Mm-hmm. So when you discover where all this item is missing from your, what do you now do?
Well, I now decided to call all of them together.
Okay.
And I asked questions.
Was he there?
He was there.
Hi.
Everybody denied. And after begging and prodding, they all said they didn't know anything about it. So I have no choice. I have to consult my babalawo. Yes. Daddy.
Okay, you went the spiritual way.
Yes, I had to go to but they had to look for how to answer the question. I went to babalawo, who now confirmed to me that is Ade.
May I ask, please, what makes you to believe the word of your babalawo, your traditionalist?
I've been using it for the past years. He has never lied to me.
Oh.
He has never lied to me.
It's okay. Do we do like what's going on, like money ritual, like?
Objection, my lord. Like, who is this guy, my lord? Can we stick to line of questioning that is relevant to this case?
My lord, I'm trying to confirm the veracity and authenticity of the babalawo. I mean, if we see that you have do one or two, you have do money boosting for one or two people, we can know that this guy, he know his onion.
Okay.
Proceed with your question.
Thanks very much, my lord. So you say this your what's it called now? Babalawo, you have do some one or two money boosting. But that's beside the point. Was it at this moment that you got this criminal arrested?
No. When I actually called him,
Okay.
like a brother, like a boss, and I prodded him and I begged him, tell me the truth.
What do you do?
He denied it. He said no, that he did not do anything. And I said, okay, bring your bag.
You search his bag?
I searched his bag just to be sure.
My lord, let the court be put on notice that this man, his possessions were searched thoroughly.
So in the process of searching the bag,
Okay.
I saw two new iPhones. Benny, two
Brand new iPhone.
brand new iPhone.
My lord, I'd like to put the court on notice that this guy is using iPhone. Someone that is not using iPhone before is now using it. Go on.
I even thought that is enough. And I saw new clothes inside packet. New clothes. Then the one that even spoiled the whole thing. And I saw a receipt from POS. A whole sum of money was transferred inside this terrible era and the Shetima. In fact, 200,000. 200,000.
200K. Who did you transfer the money to?
The mother. That was when I confirmed that it was the one.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. My lord, that will be all from this witness at this point. I think my witness have established it all. That will be all from me.
Counsel for the defense, do you wish to cross-examine the witness?
Most certainly, my lord. My lord, if you may permit me, please, if I can approach the witness.
Go ahead.
All right, thank you very much, my lord. Okay. Mr. Bamidele, I believe is what you call yourself for this honorable court. Okay. Family members, you know, by the way. Mr. Bamidele, I believe. Acting chief. With all the regalia. Okay, how many domestic staff do you have?
Well, 7 of them.
7 domestic staff. But your counsel testified and said you have 17.
Maybe by the grace of God, I'm going to have more than that. Isn't it?
I take it that because you are suing domestic staff is why you got an unserious lawyer. Okay?
Objection, my lord. I will not take it for a co-counsel to be denigrating my name in this honorable court. My lord, an insult.
Now do not know the number of staff that your client has.
My lord,
can this man allow me go?
My lord, this is an insult.
Where have you going to defeat? I've not gotten there.
This is an insult to my profession. An injury to one is an injury to all.
My lord, please allow me to proceed. All right, Mr. Bamidele, do all your 7 domestic staff stay in your property with you?
Please, when you are saying Mr. Badman, Olambiwonu say, put Olambiwonu inside the name. You have to complete it. My lord,
for the sake of justice and to prove my client's innocence, I will comply with you. Mr. Bamidele Olambiwonu, ṣáwọn domestic staff yín máa ń gbà yín délé. Do your domestic staff?
My lord! Is this guy making a mockery of this courtroom?
My lord, I believe that the reason why we are in court is to avoid violence. If this man tests me one more time, I will go violent on his side.
Go violent.
I will go violent. The reason why I'm going, it never allow me to.
My lord, I believe that this law court have a stipulated language. How many are doing bilingual studies? Why is this man speaking a vernacular?
My
please,
lord,
I pay attention to that.
If I may proceed. Mr. Bamidele Olabiwoninu, do you have your domestic staff living in the property with you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So you are telling me Ade is not the only person who could have been physically present in your house?
Well, no.
Thank you very much. Okay, you said you searched my client's bag, Ade. Is that correct?
Very correct.
Okay. Did you bother to search any other of your domestic staff's bag or properties?
No.
Okay, so it was only his bag that you searched? No problem. Please, I would like the court to take note of that. Now, did you find any of your stolen items in his possession?
No.
You did not find any of the stolen property in his possession? Okay. Did you obtain any videographic or photographic evidence that holds my client culpable?
What kind of question is this?
Answer the question now, Mr. Bamidele Olambiwoninu Joshua Samuel Emmanuel Gosway.
No, you are not insulting my name.
Oh God.
You are not insulting
yes
my name.
Yes or no?
You are insulting my name.
Any photographic or videographic evidence that holds my client culpable?
No.
Okay, thank you very much. You said Ade's purchases were expensive purchases. My client with the doings. Odogu is an action word, okay? What God cannot do? I love you guys. Now, you said that Ade's purchases were expensive. Did you bother to ask him where he got the money? Where he got the funds?
Where do you want to get the funds from?
At least you
Where do you want to get? Where do you want to get the funds from?
Financially, okay?
Where do you want to get the funds from?
If he tells you the secret to his wealth, maybe you will stop doing charge and make cases up and down.
He is a criminal, like you, his client. You are both criminals.
My lord, how do you continue to entertain this nonsense? Who did you hire as lawyer?
What is your business with
that? Did you ask him where he got the money?
I don't need to ask him. Is it not me that he's working for?
Yes.
Okay. It's me that he's working for.
Did you check his bank records?
I did not check.
Mr. Bamidele, yes or no?
Mafia Olambiwonu see.
Yes or no?
No.
Do you know whether he has savings? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Do you know whether he received the money from family, friends, or investment? Yes or no?
No.
Now, your primary method of identifying the culprit was by spiritual consultation. Yes.
Objection, my lord. This is badgering. This is a badgerer.
God, oh.
This guy is a badgerer, my lord.
I'm just asking questions that are relevant.
He's a badgerer, my lord. This is a badgerer.
Badgering.
Okay, sorry. Let me use bedroom voice. Mr. Bamidele Olabiwoninu Joshua Samuel Gosway. Did you use spiritual consultation as evidence for my client's culpability?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you trusted the words of the traditionalist, didn't you?
Of course.
Okay, and why is that?
Because I've used it. We have been consulting him for the past years. He has never lied to me. He has never been wrong. Everything he has ever told me is true.
May I also add that he's a money booster? He has boosted money several times.
My lord, I will cross to this man. I will cross to this council. All right, Mr. Bamidele. How did you
Olabiwonu.
Actually, online, you call Olabiwonu. It is your attitude.
No, am I? You want to finish it? You want to finish it?
My lord, please, can I finish it now? Okay, Mr. Bamidele Olabiwonu.
I think you can see that this cancer is not professional. He is now turning the law court to a fighting ground. This is a WWE ground.
My lord, please allow me proceed. Okay. So how did your spiritual consultant verify that he was the criminal?
We have been consulting for the past years. He has never lied to me. I took the names of domestic staff to him.
Okay.
I didn't know that before. He has not met my domestic staff before. So Kotowache is single-handedly single out this man.
Okay. So if I understand you, Mr. Bamidele Olabda and family members, Samuel Joshua Gosway, you are telling me that your spiritual consultant did not even get his name from the oracle. You took a list of your domestic staff and he guessed that Ade was the thief.
Because he's a thief.
Or no? Yes or no?
Yes, my lord, he did not guess. He gave his professional.
Hello. Did you or did you not?
Yes.
Hello. Did you or did you not submit a list to your spiritual consultant in which he brought you one? Hello. My lord, please. Can this man answer the question? Did you or did you not submit a list in which your spiritual consultant guessed the criminal from that list? Yes.
Yes, I did.
Thank you very much, my lord. That will be all. I would like the court to take note that we are playing a guesswork in the honorable court today. My lord, a guesswork.
What's the double?
Don't worry, I'm with you.
No way I warn you, you should not be doing like this inside majesty.
Now that's normal legal theatrics now. If we don't perform like that for the judge, he will take us seriously.
That's why you're not telling me, boy, I'm not an original lawyer.
BM!
How about that, job? That's why I see you in a pickot. You win it.
No, they struck the case out.
You struck it out?
And the other counsel was not a first person. So, one carry I line.
Well, the last ticket called me Ogumosho.
When is that happening?
Oh, well, in last month. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's my star witness. All those marks you are making in front of the judge, I will see how you're going to make marks again now.
Who is that?
That's my star witness. Our traditionalist.
Okay, the one that
Oh yes! What happened? He shocked you.
Okay, you will see me in court now.
You will see me in court.
You think I'm scared of
You
you?
think you are afraid? Like that time, mommy, that are picked. That time, I said, think no. Thanks so much, my Lord. My Lord and my God. Maximum and utmost respect still residing with you at the moment. Please, you call, what do you call that your name again? When you were talking, I forget that. I don't have it in my notes.
Adebigbe Emmanuel.
Adebigbe Emmanuel. So are you royal family or what? Are you a prince?
What does that?
Objection.
Because you know that
Objection, my lord. My lord.
May I finish my thoughts?
I'm so tired of objecting. Please, sir. I have another case. This is not the only time.
I want to finish my thoughts.
I have another case in negotiating this afternoon. So I should use all my objection finish in this court. What is wrong with you?
My
Can
lord,
you just stay on track with what we are dealing with?
My lord, I'm on track.
Why is this royalty?
I want to find out the nexus towards this guy acquiring these new shirts that he's wearing. How much is your monthly salary? I'm just trying to find out his weight. How much is your monthly salary?
70,000 naira.
70,000. 70,000.
Yes.
That's what I pay you, and you are not a prince. Why you point
That's
at me?
I'm not a prince.
So you earn 7,000. You are not a prince. I tell everybody is getting that. So your total income in a year now, how much is that? It's less than 1 million. I don't expect you to know the calculation.
Yes.
For someone that is earning that your money. I know till you go to school. Anyway, is it true that shortly after your employer item go missing, you purchase 2 iPhones? One for you and one for your girlfriend?
Those two events are not related, but yes.
Who asked? My lord, please, may this man answer the question.
I said yes.
Thanks very much. So after purchasing that, do you not send 200,000 to your mother?
Yes.
Do you not?
Yes, I did. Yes, proudly.
My lord, is the client trying to attack me? I'm not appreciate this.
Only answering your question. Yes, I did.
Do you not change your wardrobe after that?
Yes, I did.
On top of 70k per month, that can't even buy one polo. So may I know, how do you afford all these things that you purchase?
Very good. I played sports bets and I won.
You play sports bets and you won?
Yes.
Have you been playing this sports bet before?
It was my first time.
It's your first time?
Yes. And I won 3 million naira. 3 million naira.
I think we need to change his name now to Lucky Gbinaidio. Lucky Ayede Tiwa. Because how can you tell me that you play bet one time and you win the first time?
Orire ni. I don't know about you.
Orire. And it's after this your first win around the same time that your employer, his items were robbed
I was not even there when the robbery happened. It's none of my concern. I want money and I use my money to purchase things. Why am I the culprit?
Mr. Lucky, that's what I ask you, Mr. Lucky. Mr. Lucky, what I ask you is that don't you think it is odd that at the time that you buy your first bet case, you now bag another case because that is where my client's item got missing. Don't you think that is odd?
Nothing is odd because I was not there.
Arrest my question from now. I leave Mr. Lucky to the hand of his fellow criminal of a lawyer.
My lord, please, with your permission, I would like to submit documents that confirm that my client indeed won a bet that gave him 3 million naira. In here, I have the payment confirmation and the betting records.
My lord, objection. This was not presented. My lord, I will not say this. Slamming this on the court on such short notice.
When we say lawyers should do their research, they do not do their research. These documents confirm the payments and also show the bet that my client placed and he won. Useless Arsenal. Top of the last game was Wolves win or draw. And they want to be claiming champions of England. Arsenal connecting. You are conceding goal.
Objection, my lord. We take exception to cancel mentioning the name of Arsenal. Can you stop doing that now? For now, please. Please.
It's okay to be prepared. Okay.
Everything is. I'm feeling triggered.
My lord, if prosecution could omit such an essential detail in investigation, then we must ask ourselves, what also did they fail to investigate? My lord, this is on this honorable account that I submit for now. Thank you, my lord.
This or this?
Woman go.
How do you usually swear?
Bimba burambi. Eshu ni fibura. Iru mole ni fibura. I will swear by the heart and everything that sees us, even now.
My lord, we only have this.
All right then. Do you affirm to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this court?
Yes, I affirm.
Good. That will suffice.
Okay. My lord, if I may approach the witness.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much. Please, if you may introduce yourself to this honorable court.
Ẹ̀yà méjì ẹ̀já sá, èṣù bí yìí, àwọn alẹ́yẹ tí ń bẹ lórí títà tí ń ṣe bàgẹ̀bàgẹ̀, ọ̀ṣọ́mọ náà wọ́n èdè bẹ́ẹ̀, àfẹ́n tí ó bá kú lóye.
Okay, your name is irrelevant to the success of this case, so I will just move on from that. Anyway, I believe that you told Mr. Bamidele that my client over here is the one responsible for the missing property. We have moved on from that, Mr. Bamidele, please. Okay? I believe that you are the one that told this man over here that my client was responsible for the properties missing in his house. Yes or no?
Àwọn ọ̀run mọ̀lẹ́ ní kìí ṣe mi.
Okay. But how did you arrive at that conclusion?
Ó ṣe gọ̀ báyìí náà. Bí lọ́wọ́ mọ̀ gọ́, mo sọ fún ọmọ ní àwọn ọ̀run mọ̀lẹ́ ní, it was my oracles that revealed the thief to me. And I consulted, after consulting my oracle, I told him that it was that boy, one of the staffs, that stole it.
Okay, you said your oracle revealed the thief to you. So I will take it that your oracle normally reveals things to you, Abi?
Yes, and they don't lie.
Okay, all right. If we can put that to the test, my lord.
Go ahead.
My lord, please, if I may. Mr. Sorry, I didn't get your name initially.
Eshubiyi.
Thank you. Mr. Eshubiyi, I have here a list of food items here. Okay? Can you help me ask your oracle Which one I had for breakfast in that list?
Objection, my lord! Objection, my lord! My lord, I've already tell you, this other counsel is making a mockery. It's making a mockery of this court. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? You think other people don't have work that they're doing? They should be figuring out your digestive system. I tell you attention to that.
My lord, my client is on trial today, partly because of the testimony of this man over here. I don't think it is odd that we put a test to the veracity of the testimony of this man, in which he has testified that his oracle is the reason why he accused this man of the theft. So please, if he is claiming that his oracle can reveal such an information to him, let him prove it. Which of these food items did I have for breakfast this morning?
The law! Say one is Sunni.
Counsel. Objection overruled. Counsel, proceed. But tread softly.
Okay, my lord. Mr. Eshubi, I will proceed to a much simpler question, okay? How much did Mr. Bamidele pay you for the services that you rendered to him?
Objection, my lord. Is he trying to collect his court? What do we have to do with how much the services? That is irrelevant to this matter at hand.
Okay, my lord, please allow me to rephrase that question, okay? Mr. Eshubi, were you or were you not paid for the services that you rendered to Mr. Bamidele?
Please answer the question.
It was an offering to the oracles. Owó àwọn àgbà ni ó fi ṣe tutu ní yóò tó lọ.
Owó àgbà, but the owó àgbà was received by you. Alright, no problem. Mr. Eshubi, I'm sure you are familiar with the laws of the land. But let me interest you in laws that are particular to our own legal system. Are you aware that anyone who obtains money by deception, pretending to have supernatural powers to mislead someone for gain, may be guilty of fraud or criminal exploitation?
Auto! Objection! Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Dino sọ ọjà wèrè mi. Ó fọlẹ̀ lọ mi. Olúwa mi, á gbé ń tọ́mọ̀ sí ilé ọlọ́run. Ìdí ìṣètì á gbé fún ọ.
My lord.
Á parọ́ tí ìṣètì ẹ mọ́.
Eshubi is showing your power. Eshubi is showing your
My
power.
lord, arrest my case.
No,
Let us rest the case.
What's the case?
Let us rest the case.
What's the case?
Let us rest the case.
Eshubi,
My lord,
look
arrest the case.
Don't do a loca. You not your there. Nonsense.
Dino, kí ni mo ní bí abọ́ ẹ̀gúsí? Èmi ló ń pè lólè. A mọ̀ ríra.
Apologies, my lord. Apologies, my lord. It's just the accusation by this counsel that do rile him up. But I've told him, he will no longer wield the wing, the ring. He will not gbaluruka.
This one that the judge has struck out against. What does that mean?
Hey, you don't know what struck out means? It's my free man.
I'm a fool. I told you I didn't do it.
Hey, of course.
I didn't do it.
Yes,
Yes, no. They had zero evidence. Accusing me wrongly.
Congratulations.
I did not do.
What's going extrajudicial
Proceedings.
If there is no evidence that ties you to the crime,
no,
it is a sine qua non case. Okay? It's as good as...
Kidnap him.
I hope you are not upset with what happened in court.
No, upset care.
It's just normal legal practice. That's how we normally interrogate, witnesses.
What's your name?
Barrister Layi Wasabi Esquire, you can inquire.
Barrister Layi Wasabi Esquire. So nothing nǹkan tí mo sọ nínú court lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
You said a lot of things, but there's one that stood with me. You said èèyàn máa ń mọ̀nà ju Google Map lọ.
Èèyàn mọ̀nà ju Google Map lọ.
Yes.
Nice one.
Thank you very much. Yes, also it. Ẹ̀gbọ́n. Ade, please help me turn my neck. Ade, I'm sorry, Ade. Ẹ wò mí rẹ ni. Mr. Bamidele. Mr. Ade, ẹgbà mi.
Let's move it.
Ẹgbà mi. Mr. Bamidele.
Move it.
Ade. Mr. Bamidele. Ade.